Now this is how you can automatically update apps on the iPhone. Let me get started. And if this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So all you have to do is to open up the settings app of the device, and at the bottom you can find apps section. So you click on apps right here, and it's going to give you the alphabetically sorted list of every app, which includes the App Store. So you should most definitely find the App Store right here. And a couple of settings. Obviously, things like cellular data would be useful if you wanted the apps to be auto-updated even without Wi-Fi. But below, you can see we have the automatic downloads and app updates in the middle. So you basically need to enable this toggle. You can see that it will automatically install new app updates. So that might be useful. As I said, make sure some other things are enabled too, like the cellular data access. And also we have the cellular automatic downloads, right? And so on. So make sure that this kind of works even without Wi-Fi, or even if you just keep it on Wi-Fi, it's going to auto update as well. So that's how it would work. It's pretty simple in that regard. So if you have any questions about this, let me know about those below in the comments, but I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future upload. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.